spinal health is really important for overall health.
Absolutely. We have a poster back here which has some curves in it. There's normal curves that the human frame has, okay? And they literally have like an S shape to it. And that's to optimize how our body moves and functions. So can you hand me that bowling ball, because I wanted to show you an example.
Oh, it's heavy.
Yeah, it is. This bowling ball represents the human head.
Really?
The weight, okay? It's about 10 to 12 pounds is what the human head weighs. And I can carry this all day long. I can basically just hold this, because what I have here is I have this curve, okay? Neurosurgeons and chiropractors refer this as the arc of life, okay? We end up losing this with the modern day lifestyle. Now, if I keep doing this, the weight increases and it's gonna significantly damage my joint here with premature degeneration. That's what happens with our necks, which is eventually why we get these aches and pains in our upper back in our modern day lifestyle. The abnormal stresses that are put onto us via the anterior weight bearing or the forward head posture that these computers are giving us and the tablets.
The texting.
Exactly. The idea behind the ProperPillow is to support the neck while you're sleeping so that you can get that optimal alignment.